Trader's routine. So for a trader to be successful, or is supposed to be successful at anything, you need to have two things. You need to have knowledge and experience. And like every other business, the trader must have a plan how they use the information to make decisions and manage their business. And trading is not any different than any other business. And many new traders who have taken the time to become successful, they are not any different than doing any other business. And the people who have become successful in other things, they think trading is any different, but it's not. Mistake is to think that trading can be done quickly and easily. Because in any business, it doesn't take speed and easiness. Every business takes a long time, and you have to develop. It takes time and it's difficult. And then trading is the same. It takes time to learn and master like any other business, and to gain the knowledge and experience which I just mentioned, and to develop a trading plan, to test, evaluate, and review constantly, like any other business. One big advantage of trading is that it does not require a large investment like many businesses, because you may have to have a place of trading, you might have to have a number of employees, machine, furniture, all of these things. You don't need any of this. So it's a good positive start, but the main thing is that you must have it's difficult, it's not quick, and it's not easy. So these are the two things we have to remember as a starting trader, and if anybody is telling you different, they are simply not telling you the truth. So in this module, we're going to ask some of the questions, and you're going to want to decide how the life of trading fits in your life overall. So how much time you want to spend each day, how many markets you want to trade in. If you are a day trader, then you need to spend around 5 to 8 hours daily, and that takes all of your day. If you are a swing trader, then you may spend 1 to 2 hours a day. So what is a day trader? A day trader is when you open and close all positions in the same day. A swing trader, you may open and close trade in couple of days. So there is no rush in this one. You can keep a watch, keep an eye on the market, and then trade whenever you think you have the right setup, and then you place the trade. With the day trader, you spend all day you open and close the trade, whether it's in profit or it's in loss. You close all the trade and you take overall the net profit or loss that you've made combining all the trades. With this one, you kind of wait and watch around until you feel that you have a highest probable winning trade, and then you open it and then you close it when you see there is profit. Also, to mention that for a day trader, the analysis and preliminary, or I shouldn't use that word, analysis and some of the decision, or I should use analysis and thinking, should be done outside of market hours. So that means you are still working after you've spent the 5 to 8 hours. You're still looking into the market, because when you are doing trades, you have very little time to investigate. You have very little time to think about what's in the news. So all of these things has to be done afterwards. You can look at the economic calendar. There's no strict rule on this, but the day trader is mainly a full-time trader. As a swing trader, you also analyze the markets outside trading time. So no matter what kind of trader you are, your day always begins with a list of markets and the trade conditions that you are looking for. So your day always begins with a list of markets you want to trade in, and look for the trade conditions that you are looking to trade in. This is how your day starts. So there is no reason to have long explanations or an overly complex journal system. Keep it simple and keep it short, so that you have when you go over it, you can go over it very quickly. So that's why keep it simple and keep it short in your notes when you make the trades. So here's a difference. A successful trader keeps trading notes. An unsuccessful trader doesn't keep trading notes.